Hello, viewers. I am Debalina Kumar from News Shuttle, and I'm back yet again with another interview with a superstar kid. Her name is Kanai Nimishe. She is one of the winners of the Teen Bright 2020 competition. We will know about what the Teen Bright competition was from Kanai herself. But before introducing her, I would like to say a few words about her. She is 14 years old and she is studying currently in the 9th standard. She loves classical singing and she has a beautiful voice. She loves spending time with her younger sister. She's a voracious reader. And also she has a very inquisitive mind because she loves exploring and learning about new things, and she wants to pursue her education in science. Without wasting much time, I welcome Kanai on our platform to say a few words about herself and her aspirations.
Hi everyone, I am Kanai Nimishe and I am going to present my talent before you. I am singing Rag Shamkara followed by a Tarana.
So we will quickly start with the rapid fire round. So I'll just ask you three simple questions. You can just choose. Okay. So the first question to Kanai is, do you like red or black? What do you feel that is a better color to which looks good on an individual for a very powerful introduction or to show a powerful attitude? So would you choose red or black? Black.
Red.
Okay.
Red.
Red? Red. Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you like sari or lehenga? Among Indian ethnic wear, do you prefer a sari or a lehenga?
A sari, probably.
And do you like ice cream or chocolate?
I personally prefer ice cream.
Ice cream. And You can have a chocolate flavored ice cream that kind of serves the purpose of having both. Okay, great. Okay. So I have just given a short introduction of yourself, but the viewers would love to know a bit more about you.
Hello everybody. I love music a lot, classical music, and I've been learning music for the past 6 to 7 years. Thank you. And also I like to learn new things a lot. So in the lockdown period also I started learning piano and I'm liking to play it a lot. And and I, as you said, I'm a voracious reader. I love to read a lot. And I travel a lot. So I've visited different countries and I explore many things.
Really wonderful. Reading and traveling are really one of my favorite. This is something which I love doing as well. That's really nice. So tell us something about the Teen Bride competition 2020 which happened, and how did you get to know about it, and what all categories or what all events that did you take part in? So tell us something about that.
So this contest was very nice. It was an amazing contest, and for me personally, it was a very different aspect of life. So I haven't participated in a beauty pageant or a contest before this, and so this was a new experience for me.
So how did you get to know about it? Like it was through the social media, or you heard from a friend?
No, so Dipti Doshi, she's one of the mentors in this competition. So she's my Aktya. So she is one of my relatives. So I got to know about the competition from her. And after she told me about the competition.
So now that you are one of the winners, so how are you feeling? What are your feelings like? What was the first reaction?
So there were all these videos on the Facebook. So I watched all of these videos, and honestly, I did not think I was going to win, and it was very unexpected. But I was very happy that I won, and yeah.
Okay.
And okay. I was also able to enjoy the glamorous new side of life.
Exactly. So now that you have discovered this particular new challenge of yours, so how are you planning to pursue or probably improve or your skills on that in this particular challenge as well? So So have you had any special thoughts that how would you want to pursue? Do you want to pursue modeling as one of the talents or one of the arts? Have you thought about it?
Yes. So. We had those mentoring sessions where body language was taught and how to voice modulation and all. So I would like to improve on that a lot. And as I take a part in leadership conferences also, so that would help me there as well. The voice modulation.
And what about your other future aspirations? What do you really want to do, and what's your dream that you want to pursue? Anything
so
in
like my
particular
career
that you
dream?
Probably yes.
So I want to take dental. I want to do dental in so like after 12th I really want to go to US and then study dental there. And then if I get time, I want to pursue music also.
That's really nice. So kind of a professional, a noble career, and also including that with some soft skills like music and all that. That's really nice. Okay, so any a message for our viewers that you would love to convey to all the people, young kids or probably kids in your age group who would probably be watching the interview? So any special message that you might have?
Yes, so I would like to tell them that they should not be afraid of whatever they want to do, and also they should believe in themselves, and they should explore all aspects of life. So like I did, I was not really into this glamour and all, but as I got to know about the competition, I took part in it, and now I'm very happy.
That's really wonderful. So all our viewers, that's a wonderful message from Kanai, that you shouldn't stop exploring and you should always be looking out for new things, because you never know, you will discover something about yourself about which you never knew, like Kanai did, and she has done a wonderful job in the competition, and she's one of the winners as well. So, and congratulations to you once again, and all the best for your future, and you have many more milestones to come. So, and it was a pleasure having you here on our platform, and a pleasure talking to you as well. So thank you, Kanai Nimike, for being here with us today. And thank you, viewers. I'll be signing off. This is Debulina Kumar on behalf of News Shuttle. Thank you.